Good morning. So today we are leaving for Bahia Honda State Park in the Florida Keys. So excited. When we first started RVing back in 2014, I told my husband, like, I want to go to this place and these are all the things that I want to do when we go, and it was like, yeah, okay, yeah, that looks really cool. And then we never really did anything about it. I booked this reservation in February. I was able to pick up a cancellation, and then COVID hit and then there was hurricanes, but we're good. Camper is loaded, golf cart is loaded. We are pretty much ready to go. We are aiming to be at a St. Cloud at 9 o'clock, so it's just after 6. I'm just getting caffeinated enough to make the drive. Let's see if we're able to pull out on time. I hope we are. Either way, it doesn't matter. We're heading south, we're heading to the Keys. It is going to be a good day. So it's 8:39. We're all hooked up. We are just waiting for my mom and dad to get here because they are the ones that are gonna pull the boat. They're on their way. We might make it by 9. It might be a little after 9, but so far we're doing good. We're making good time. I just want to get on the road. It's a long drive. I just want to start getting there already. Well, we made it. We're in the truck. It's 10 to 10. We're a little behind schedule, but that's okay. Or at least we've left the house and we're on our way. I had to make a quick stop at McDonald's because my husband was hungry. We'll probably be there around 4 o'clock this afternoon. Check-in's at 3 anyway, so I just didn't want to get there like really late tonight after dark. So, but we're on our way. Let's go.
So, hey guys, we made it to the campground. It is a huge campground. It has huge sites, a lot of privacy. It has overgrowth on both sides. It has a boat dock, a picnic table, a grill, amazing amount of room for the camper. It is just awesome.
Wow, this beach was everything that I thought it would be, and it's at sunset. It's just...
The water's really nice.
It's pretty incredible. So I have been dreaming about this moment for a very, very, very long time, being able to walk on the beach at Bahia Honda at sunset. It is finally happening.